First at 6 tomorrow, expected to be a pivotal day in court, over the future ownership of Graceland and chances it could be sold at an auction on Thursday. Thanks for joining us. I'm Richard Ransom.
And I'm Pepper Baker. A company called Nasani Investments filing a foreclosure notice saying Lisa Marie Presley used the mansion as collateral for millions of dollars. In fact, Nasani claims it has proof of a $3.8 million loan dating back to 2018 and that Lisa Marie actually signed over a deed of trust if the loan ever went unpaid.
But Lisa Marie's daughter, Riley Keough, has filed a countersuit saying the whole thing is bogus. So what happens now?
ABC 24's Scott Mattis is live at Graceland tonight to show us how things could shake out tomorrow. Scott?
Good evening, Pepper and Richard. Now, I can tell you that, like you said, that foreclosure process is set to start on Thursday morning on the steps of the courthouse in downtown Memphis. But tomorrow, both sides of this bizarre and complicated issue are going to go before a judge in Chancery Court to explain both sides. And guess what? I've got a tease at the end of my story. I called Nasani. I'll tell you what happened. With the gates of Graceland open on Tuesday, it was business as usual at the King's Mansion. But controversy continues to swirl around the ownership of Graceland. Jack Turner, a Memphis attorney, tells me Wednesday morning in Shelby County Chancery Court, teams from Nasani Investment and Riley Keough will plead their cases.
The questions that are going to have to be addressed by Nasani are, one, do they have a valid lien? Is that really Lisa Marie's signature? Is that a real notary acknowledgement?
Turner, who has no association with the case, tells me Nasani will likely tell the judge they have a valid mortgage and will then present proof of evidence. Turner expects Keough's team will likely tell the judge that Lisa Marie Presley's signature was forged in the documents, and so was the notary's that they say was there when Lisa actually signed those documents.
I cannot imagine anybody in his right mind wanting to bid on this property now, knowing that there are so many questions about whether or not they can convey clear title.
All right, back here live at Graceland in Whitehaven off Elvis Presley Boulevard. I called Nasani on the phone number that were in court documents that were filed in Chancery Court. And when I called, it said it was a non-working number. So now the question, Richard and Pepper, are they even going to show up to court tomorrow? I'll be there and let you know. For now, live in Whitehaven, I'm Scott Mattis.